Hi, myself Chitta, final year student of LTech Multitech Engineering College, Chennai. I'm going to explain about my project. My project is 4-tier security scheme in wireless sensor network using frequency band management. My guide's name is Mrs. R. Chandradekha. She is Assistant Professor of EEE Department. Abstract. The WSN communication can be either open or secured or closed. The main techniques used for secure data communications are authentication and pairwise key establishment between sensor nodes and the mobile SIMs. Cryptology deals with the security. The cryptology itself consists of two branches, cryptology and cryptanalysis. The hacking is the main problem. So, in addition to the existing levels of communication, we can add another level of security. Objective of my project is to design a WSN network with more security by adding another level of communication. Here the concept of frequency aggregation is used as the additional level. This is the WSN model. Here there will be sensor nodes, gateway, network infrastructure and applications. Wireless sensor networks. A wireless sensor network is a collection of nodes organized into cooperative networks. It have large range of applications from civilian to military purposes. Sensor node. In addition to one or more sensors, each sensor in the sensor networks is typically equipped with a radio transceiver or another wireless communications device. A small microcontroller and an energy sources, usually a battery. Here it shows the sensor node. This is an example of wireless sensor network. Wireless applications. This wireless sensor networks has wide applications in monitoring area, monitoring objects or both. The monitoring area means environmental and habitat monitoring, precision agriculture, indoor climate control, military, intelligent alarms. Monitoring objects, structural monitoring, eco-psychology, condition-based maintenance, medical diagnosis and urban mapping. This is the WSN model. Need for security. WSNs are becoming a cost-effective, practical way to go about deploying the sensor networks. Large range of applications from civilian to military purposes. So, the security is very needed here. So, the oppositions to WSN security. Very limited resources. It has very limited memory, program memory, IM flash storage. Power limitations are there. Unreliable communication and unattended operations are the other oppositions to the security. And security architecture. It consists of three main parts: security mechanism, security attack, security services. Authentication, access control, data confidentiality, data integrity are the security services. This is the crypto system model. Here there will be a sender, there will be a receiver. At the sender session there will be a encryption algorithm and on the other side decryption algorithm will be there. Existing algorithms are Caesar cipher, SIP algorithms, Playfair cipher, Hill cipher, Visionary cipher, Vernon cipher, one-time pad, DS algorithm and AES algorithm. AES algorithm is mostly used nowadays. And existing system, the security system includes the following concepts: pairwise key establishment, authentication, three-tier network. Main problems are increased delay slowdowns the system and active and passive attacks, hardware security problems and increased antenna height. So this is the overall block diagram of the proposed system. Frequency band management. There will be 4 levels. Level 1 open access, level 2 secret key, level 3 cryptography and the level 4 is frequency band management. The proposed system use the frequency band allocation concept which provide another level of security to the WSN network. Advantages: 3 level of security extended into 4 level of security. So security will be more. And the guard band will help to interference. Overcome the delay problem since each channel have separate RF modules. And PCB trace antennas can use, so low cost and small size will be there. Additional antenna we can use for the distance. Security levels. The WSN will design with 4 different levels: stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 and stage 4 as shown before. And this is the overall block diagram of the proposed system. Here this is the WSN model and this shows each channel consists of 16 nodes. And the frequency channels. The information from sender to receiver is carried over a well-defined frequency band. This is called a channel. Each channel has a fixed frequency bandwidth in kilohertz and capacity in bit rates. Different frequency bands can be used to transmit information in parallel and independently. This is the frequency band of overall world. It consists of three different regions, region 1, region 2 and region 3. The implementation. For implementing the logic, first I implemented the logic of existing algorithms like Hill cipher, Caesar cipher, etc. Then I implement the frequency band channeling with the help of Tarang F4. Tarang F4 can be configured with the help of AT commands. It has 20 pin structure and it uses minimal power, that is 3.3 to 3.6 volts, and transmit current 45 milliamps. Baud rate from 1200 to 115200. Requirements. Hardware requirements are microcontroller. Here I am going to use PIC16F877A and USB RS232 controller board, frequency Tarang F4, keyboard LCD. Software. Pixie simulator and Proteus softwares are used as software. And this is the simulation model. And this is the step 1, it's password checking, and step 2, this is the encryption techniques, and this is the decryption window, and this one AT commands. AT commands is also known as attention commands. The syntax is ATNCHF, where AT stands for AT prefix and N stands for command category, CH stands for ASCII command, F stands for parameter, CL carriage return. Here for TMFT we are using as a hyperterminal. This is the TMFT output step 1. Here this is checking the COM port, and this one is detection of the Tarang modem. Once we connect with the system, the detection process is taking place. And next we can assign the destination address as well as channels. This is the AT commands we used. Thus, I have implemented the WSN model with more security with the help of frequency management. Now we are expecting more frequency band in free of cost in the immediate future, so it will be cost effective too. Thank you.